I love watching the Horny channel. It's Juanita from Manchester.
Get up!
Hey!
Juanita! Senorita! Shung.
I say Shawn.
No, Shung.
None of my gun them on fire and they will have Gage. There's a lipstick.
Ta-da-da-da! Well, I wanted to wait a little bit before I had another song to review that I could wash my war clothes. You know, I have a special war clothes for when the war start. But I've been away for the weekend in Manchester City, over there in Manchester, powering with the Gemini Twins and Nike and all. So, never get to wash the clothes, but war agwan.
Shit, Gage. Yeah, but no, you love chase. Chat about the fuckery, but my case. Careful, mine you get your race. Careful, mine you can't touch your base. In case you don't know, you run your place. I chat about me a pen and you never save. Just try remember, say, my wire them go days.
What do I think of this song so far? I'm not going to repeat everything the artists them saying and talk about when I'm talking about the song. But let me see. Let me just continue. I don't know if I'm feeling this. If it's... I don't know. Let me hear.
You say about it, you alone walk on yes. You're more in your fuck or you sang them so lame. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Everyone sound the same. Oh, tropical breeze. Your name.
There's some nice little pointers there. Now, the song them sound the same. That means they're lame. And tropical breeze. Let me see what I want to write this song.
Oh, your mama hold my cocky and breeze. She say, Edda, like she's snacking and cheese. Your baby mother said, you are batty man, please. So when we come on road, she'll be dropping her knees.
That I lyrics them where would I hear in every clash. Me want to hear something about Gage. Where true, I would guarantee say, if we're not true, at least 40% true. Yeah. Me not impressed yet. Because what Gage does say, even when Gage talk about some case and some sitting, you see them there's something there. Them there's something that can be 50% true and 50% lie. Your baby mother says she will be dropping and she will drop, when we come out, she will be dropping her knees. That are make-up lyrics. I will guarantee say that are make-up. No, we don't guarantee because we don't know people's life. But more than likely, percentage-wise, 80%, 90% that is make-up. And your mother give me a blowjob or something like that, or that is make-up. And that is lyrics what we heard in clashes before. I'm sure we heard those things before. I'm not impressed yet. Let's continue.
Man, a bad man with some rifle shot way longer than Mackie Van Keys.
Yeah, me like the little Mackie Van Keys, the over near Mackie, or maybe Mackie a Gage uncle, Mackie him daddy, somebody. Maybe Mackie is just somebody who Shawn Storm know otherwise, but he just rhymed that song. If a Shawn Storm write the lyrics, because in my views, Shawn Storm sound too much like him boss or so. Yeah, them mother suck me with that. How foolish is that? That are just what you're saying in the next song. Mother suck your cocky again. You know what we want in a clash? Clash, we want some stuff that we don't know about the artist, or stuff that we remember about the artist, like Gage song. No, all right. This seems to me like Gage is taking a W and this song's gonna take a L. Let's see. Oh, you're telling him on reaching 9 war. Alright. This song is controversial because even though this is a clash, I don't know if I should be confused at the moment. Cause I say you calling name in a one song where you sing and then you say how come him reaching a war? He must say himself, let me explain. Don't get me wrong, me always rich and starving. Yeah, I always have some mad style and sitting. But me don't know who me have for me feel say I Gage me I bring another warrior. I really think so. Vybz try off a world boss image. A perfect knockoff. With your shibada hairstyle, you're not bad boy. Clarin dancer, you better lock off. I'm finding it hard to find anything exquisite in this song that is unique and not heard before. You know? Shibada is a regular mention when people are dissing each other. All these let me just hear about rewind a little bit. Now you used to sleep in a car. Not you to sleep in a car, but that not have nothing to do with in talent. Or killing skill. I don't know. It sound like me I work with it sound like me I work with Gage. Cause me I try to pick apart that song here. It come like me negative against that song here. Something me unfair. Me feel say me unfair. Some shottings like far, some of them a nice scar, Nancy's like that. Tears Dem Dry, try off a world boss image. A perfect knockoff. With your shibada hairstyle, you're not bad boy. Clarin dancer, you better lock off. I want to say bombo clot. That I want to say what I say yet. All of them lyrics there. Me no know if Gage have any of them little mediocre lyrics them in him. Gyal them say. What all them something the dog? Them is something there went from when Flash did young. Gyal them say this, gyal them say that. Man find some do like alkaline them in the lyrics, man. Research and find things where is nearly true. All them just make believe and my word against yours. If it was a court of law, you couldn't come to court of law with. You have to carry videos. You know what I mean? Bad man like me, if you come a road now, him dash off. That him not get no page. Him do be price way below minimum wage. Just side, till him done wage. That time up, lighting, fling him down wage. Fling him down wage. I don't know what to say. I don't know if because I'm just a bit sleepy or something. Don't find anything exciting in this song. I will have to listen it a couple more times to get the nice bits. Or I'm just unfair. Could it be that I am just unfair? If anyone think that I'm being unfair, please jot it down there. Because I might be unfair. Somehow. I might be unfair. Whatever, man. Let's continue. Hmm? cannot invite a person to a clash by remembering them, calling their name, and then trying to tell us that their duppy price is below minimum wage. Why did you call their name? Did you want to kill somebody for free? But anyway, I think you have a war on your hands, because I'm more impressed with Gage lyrics. Gage, I am more impressed. I'm sorry to, no, not sorry, fuck that shit. I am happy to say that I am more impressed with Gage. Maybe by later on, we'll have a next song to review. This is a war. Gage, or should I say Shawn Storm versus Gage, because Shawn Storm is the instigator of this particular war. He started it. Maybe he's gonna lose in it. I think anyway, because I think these songs are not really hot. You need to research and find out stuff about Gage. Don't say he can't go back to where he come from. That's nothing. That's normal shit. Yep. Anyway, just whatever down in the comment, because I wasn't really feeling this in any way. Tell the world boss, write a better song here. Yeah.
I love watching the Horny channel. It's Juanita from Manchester.
Get up!
Hey!
Juanita! Senorita! Sean.
I say Shawn.
No, that's Sean.